All right, guys, we got a good friend of mine's car, 2016 Nissan Altima 2.5 liter high output. Got factory converter up there somewhere, secondary converter there. Then we did a resonator delete right there. There's the old resonator right there. Mr. Jared's holding it. Then 2.25 pipe into 2.25 Y pipe out the back. Then we did a rear muffler delete there and right there into 4-inch double wall tips to complete the look. There'll be a link in the description for them right there. We'll let you guys hear it in a second, and like always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Yeah, we need to change that cat. We can make it louder. Again? There's sound decibels again? 114, bro. You like it? Yeah. Again? Gotta back it out. Nissan Altima 2016. It's so yes! Give me more! Wow! What you guys hear on this? Nissan Altima 2.5 liter. Straight pipe all the way back to some 4-inch tips, because why not?